2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7 counts na, tapos 8. Naloko tayo nitong MC to. Okay, next, parting the clouds, opening our inner being to creation, lifting the mist from our vision. Begin with the hands crossed above the head. Bring both arms down, crossing in front of the genitals and knees bent. Okay? 8 counts. Totoo na to. Ready?
Slowly naman. Go.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let us beg the Lord on this new day to remove the clouds of darkness, doubt, misery, and sinfulness from the path. We beg Him to free us from the clouds of fear and indifference. Okay, last for our Shibasi. Okay, next. Rowing boat in the middle of the lake. So, sinking, totally becoming empty, rising filled with the breath of new life. Okay, from both arms extended forward. Extended forward. Palms down. Swing both arms down in circular motion while bending the knees. Rotate arms until hands reaches shoulder level. Okay, 8 counts. Alternate. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 2. Okay. 3. Mahaba pala. 4, 5, 6, 7, and last 8. Alright, yan. May A na kayo. Grateful with God's gift and ways in the past, we allow their memory to surface even from our subconscious, so that in touch with our real self, we may be truly free to be all that we really are. Okay, good morning! Good morning! Buhay pa ba? Antok na.